This type of question often comes at your board exam. This question came in 2005. I am writing here using differentials. Find the approximate value of root over 0.037. Quite odd looking sum, but also very much interesting actually. Using differentials, find the approximate value of root over 0.037. So this function is in the form of root over x. So let us take, let fx is equals to root over x. Now f dash x, so what will be 1 by 2 root x by the derivative, that is the formula of x to the power half you are getting here. Now f of x plus del x minus f of x is equals to f dash x into del x. And from the previous discussion you know this one. Okay, so from here we can conclude f of x plus del x minus f of x is equals to 1 by 2 root x into del x. The approximate value you have to get here, that means absolute error. So del x, so here 0.037. This 0.037 can be written as 0.04 minus 0.003. Is it coming? Yes, it is coming. 0.04 minus 0.003. You can take anything as you like, but actually we have to take very small quantity. If we want to take this one as 0.042, then also some small quantity here I will write. But whatever, you can take as you wish. This one 0.04 minus 0.003 I am taking here. So here, if we write here x equals to 0.04 and del x equals to 0.003 here, then f of 0.04 minus 0.003, sorry, here it will be minus. This is minus. I am putting the values here. So f of x plus del x, so this is this minus this, minus f of x, x means 0.04 is equals to 1 by 2 root over 0.04 into del x. Here I am writing minus 0.003. Actually here, since x is under the root, so if we take the value of x as such, that is we can make the root here 0.044 is the square, we can take the square root here easily, 0.04. Like that, actually if you take this one is 0.09, that will be much more bigger number. So that's why 0.037 is there. The perfect square number, that is nearest to 0.037, it will be 0.04. That's why I am taking like that. Okay. So now let us do this sum. So f of 0.037 here it is coming is equals to f of 0.04 minus, or yes, minus 0.003 by 2 root over 0.04. So f of 0.04, that means root over x. So root over 0.04 minus 0.003 by 2 root over 0.04. Actually, I have not simplified this one because we need the tactical calculation here. So now 0.04 is there. So obviously it will come 0.02 minus 3 by okay. Okay, I am doing like that. That is 2 into 0.04 minus 0.003 by 2 into root over 0.04. Okay. So here this 2 will be cancelled out. So here this is 0.2 minus 0.003 by 2 into 0.2 means 0.4. So that means 0.2 minus 3 by 400 it will come. There 3 by 1000 and it is 4 by 10. So 3 by 400 it will come. And considerably you will if you do this one, so it is coming 0.8. So 0.08. Here it will come 77 by 400. 77 by 400. If you do the calculation, I have done the calculation previously, so it is coming 0.1925. So students, this is the approximate value of that root over 0.037. Okay, so I think you have got it. Our next example is, this is our next example. If f of x equals to 3x square plus 15x plus 5, find the approximate value of f of 3.02. So first of all, f of x will write here 3x square plus 15x plus 5. So f dash x we are getting here 6x plus 15. Now we will write that definition actually, that is f of x plus del x minus f of x is equals to f dash x into del x. So here f of x plus del x, first of all we will write like that, that is we need f of 3.02, f of 3.02. So if we take, that is x equals to 3 and del x equals to 0.02, then f of x plus del x will be 3.02. So here I am writing like that. So here f of 3 plus 0.02 minus f of 3 is equals to f dash x is 6x plus 15 into del x equals to 0.02. Here so also you can write that the value of x is here. Okay, I am writing like that. So f of 3.02 now minus f of 3, put the value here. So 3 that means there 27 plus 45 plus 5. I am putting the value here only. So here also 6 into 3 it is 18 plus 15 into 0.02. So now do the calculation. F of 3.02. I am not doing the calculation directly. Okay, there it is 45 plus 27, so it is coming 72, 77. Okay, so I am writing like that, 77 plus here this is 33 into 2 by 100. You will do the simplification of this one and you will get the value like that, that is 77. Oh, directly it is coming, that is it is 32 into 2, that is 66 by 100, so 0.66, so 77.66 is the answer. Okay, so students, I will do another example and after that we will complete this video.